On number 14, factor the quadratic expressions. Now we have an a term in front of the x squared. These are a little bit harder. We're going to do it the same way. Draw your two parentheses. Drop your middle sign. The signs will be the same. Now let's get the factors of 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Okay. Now then, we're going to write the factors of 5 on top and bottom of each other and draw two blanks to the right. We've got to multiply one set of these factors by 1 and 5, and the products have to add up to 19. So we got to put a set of these products in these blanks, add up the products, and get 19. Take your time. The 3 and 4 works. If you put 3 by the 5 and 4 by the 1, it would work. So put 3 and put 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. And indeed, 4 plus 15 is 19. Next step is to draw an X. We're going to put the 1 and 3 together and the 5 and 4 together. Which one's larger though, 15 or 4? 15's larger, so the 3 is going to go right here, and it's going to be matched up with the 1x. So we'll put x, or 1x, plus 3 in the first parentheses, and the 5x and 4 go in the second parentheses. That multiplies and gives you the original problem. Let's do the second one. Draw your two parentheses. Put plus and put a plus. Factor the 28. 1 times 28. Since it's even, 2 works. 2 times 14. 3 won't go into 28, but 4 will. 4 times 7. Now then, there are two factors of 6. So we'll put 1 times 6. And also 2 times 3 works. We want to use one of these factors, multiply them by 2 and 3, or 1 and 6, add and get 34. Take your time. Try to figure it out. Which ones will add up to 34? If you use the 2 and the 14, you're going to put the 14 by the 2 and the 2 by the 3. 2 times 14 would be 28, and 3 times 2 would be 6. Draw your X. 6 and 28 indeed add up to 34. 28's larger, so the 14 goes first. The 3x and 14 go together. So we'll put 3x and 14 first, and we'll put 2x and 2 in the second parentheses. On the next problem, draw your two parentheses, put your signs in, plus and plus, get your factors of 15, 1 times 15, 3 times 5. Now you're going to write your factors of 2, 1 and 2, draw your blanks. We want to add and get 13. So we got to use one of these sets of factors, multiply by 1 and 2, add and get 13. Usually it's not the first factor, so let's try 3 and 5. If we put the 3 by the 1 and the 2 by the 5, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 5 is 10. It works. 10 plus 3 is 13. Draw your X. The 5 goes in the first parentheses, doesn't it? 10's larger, so the 5 goes with the 1x in the first parentheses. So x plus 5 goes first, and the 2x plus 3 would go second. So we just factored those quadratics.